In this video, I'm going to show you how to check fines on your Emirates ID in 2024. So whether it's a traffic fine or a visa overstay penalty or any other government-related fee, I'll guide you through the steps. So let's get started. So first, make sure you are on the official website of UAE government official portal. So alternatively, you can visit the Dubai Police or Abu Dhabi Police website if the fine is traffic related. And now back to the topic of how to check fine on Emirates ID. So enter your Emirates ID details. So look for the options fine inquiry or on the search bar, and then enter your Emirates ID number for general government fines, or if you are on the traffic fines, um, enter your license plate number, or for if you are on immigration fines, just enter your visa or passport number. And after that, enter your Emirates ID number and complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then click search or submit to view your fines. And if you have any fines, you will see a fine amount in there, reason for the fine, or date and location of the violation. If no fines are found, you will see a message stating no fines record. Now, to pay your fines online, if you have outstanding fines, you can pay them directly on the website using credit or debit card or UAE bank transfer payment through smart apps or Dubai Now like Abu Dhabi Police app, etc. So follow the payment instruction and save your receipt for reference. And that's it. That's how you check fines on your Emirates ID. Make sure you check regularly to avoid hate penalties. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.